In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can open Internet Explorer on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So obviously in Windows 11, Internet Explorer is not available, but on how we can open that, go to the Windows search bar and type Notepad. Click on Notepad under the best match. Okay. So here in the entitled blank page, I'm going to paste a text. Do not worry, the text will be pasted or posted in the description section of this video. Then click on the File tab and click on Save As. Now click on the Documents on your File Explorer on your Windows. And the file name, simply change this to Internet Explorer .vbs. Do not forget the extension .vbs, and then for the save as type, that should be all files, and then you have to click on Save. Now close this. Then click on the Start button and go to File Explorer. Click on Documents. Now here you can find the Internet Explorer. Right click and then select Show More Options and click on Create Shortcut. Now we have created this shortcut. So we are just going to drag this shortcut to the desktop and close the File Explorer. Then in this shortcut, we are going to make a right click and then you have to select Properties. Then click on Change icon. So we're just going to look for the Internet Explorer icon from here. This one. And then you have to click on OK. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And then right click on it. Select Rename and simply delete the shortcut extension. Okay, now once done, double click on it. And now click on this Home button. And that's it. You have just opened the Internet Explorer on your Windows 11. So if you want to open Google, simply type Google and hit enter. So it has the options, or it has the features of the Internet Explorer, the original Internet Explorer, but if not all of the features, but it has. You can search here. You can open any websites right here using this Internet Explorer. And that's it. That's how you can open the Internet Explorer on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.